I'm Wayne from Craftiviti, and today I'm going to let you know what's the difference between the soap dyes and pigments that we have and why you choose certain dyes versus the other dyes. Here I have a bar of soap, and if you can see this bar of soap, there's a lot of cross coloring between the soaps. You can see the red is eating into the yellow. This soap has been left on the shelf for maybe about 2 months, and it's slowly bleeding. The colors are slowly bleeding into each other. What happens when it bleeds? It is when the glycerin carries the pigments through the other layers of soaps. Now this happens if you use a normal melt and pour coloring, or if you use food coloring. This will happen. So if you're making all those nice layered rainbow colorings of soap bases, this will happen. Eventually, your whole bar of soap will look like one color. Basically, that's it. So let me show you what's the difference. This is the melt and pour soap. This is the one we use for this. It is, well, it comes with the price. It's more cost effective, and it's actually a great pigment or coloring if you're making a single bar color, so that there's no color transferring, there's no layering, there's no designs. One bar of soap, this is great. But if you would like to have soap colors that are separated and will always stay separated forever and ever as you use them, these are the soap pigments that you should go for. They come in liquid form, or you can also use our wide range of micas. These micas will always continue to be separate. It will not bleed, it will not leach, and the colors will not change, the layers will not go off. So I hope you learned something today, and we'll be sharing more. Thank you so much, guys.